Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a text graph to the patient dashboard. The text graph feature significantly improves the efficiency of analyzing and interpreting patient data, enabling more informed decision making and therefore enhancing patient care. In this video, we will start on the patient dashboard screen. To learn more about the patient dashboard in general, please refer to the patient dashboard user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Edit button to open the editable patient dashboard screen. For more information on how to edit the patient dashboard, please refer to Edit the Patient Dashboard user manual linked in this video's description. Next, click on the Add button. The Add Custom Graph screen will open. We will now briefly go over each field in order to create a text graph widget. Click on the description field and enter a title name for the graph. Click on the border color field to open the color picker, then choose your desired color. Now, click on the event drop-down menu and select the applicable event to be utilized. Click on the type of graph field drop-down menu and choose the text option from the list. Next, click on the advanced settings panel, which can be used to make more refined changes to the graph. Date intervals break down and display data over specific periods for clearer visualization and comparison. Click on the date interval drop-down menu to select an appropriate option for the graph. The widget visible patient age range defines the minimum and maximum ages for the graph. Click on the minimum field to enter the desired minimum age and the maximum field to enter the desired maximum age. Please note that it is unnecessary to enter information into these fields if an age range does not apply to the template used. If applicable, tick the display data in a grid checkbox to organize and neaten the values, making them easier to sort, view, and analyze efficiently. Graphs visually present data, making it easier to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. Next, click on the Add button to add lines to the graph. First, click on the Name field to add a name for the line. Click on the Path drop-down menu and select the desired option from the list. Please note that the paths available will differ based on the event template selected. You may add as many lines as you desire. If you wish to remove a line, click on the Delete button. Once satisfied with the information entered, click on the OK button. The newly created text graph will be added to the patient dashboard screen. Finally, click on the Save button to save the changes made.